Hello, and welcome to this week's Wednesday Walkabout. I'm Helen Standen, the Nursery and Greenhouse Manager here at Jenkins, and today our walk is going to focus on the plant shop, which I'm excited to say will be opening this Friday, August 28th, just in time for the beginning of the fall planting season. In the typical year, the Jenkins Plant Shop is open from mid-April until mid-October. This year, of course, has been anything but typical. We were not able to open this spring. Staff and volunteers worked through the summer to create a shopping experience that would be safe for everyone. We've managed to create a larger space for the plant shop, and we've also created an outside checkout station. So although the Williman Education Building is still closed to the public, we're ready to welcome you to the plant shop. The shop will be open from 9 a.m. until 3:30 p.m. Tuesdays through Sundays until October 11th. That gives you 6 weeks to stop in and get your plants before we shut down. With over 300 different species in our inventory, you're sure to find something fabulous for your garden, whether you come the first week or the very last day. Please note that the shop is closed on Mondays so that staff and volunteers can come in and restock and rearrange as necessary. The plants in the shop are a reflection of the plants in the garden. We have several cultivars of different evergreen azaleas, and we have many natives, including trees like the pawpaw, wahoo, some magnolias, and many different varieties of native shrubs such as clethra, Elysium, and some American calicarpa. Of course, we have lots of ground covers that we use in the garden and our native pollinator-friendly perennials. We also have some grasses this year. We can't wait to get these great natives into your hands and into your gardens, where they can begin to attract and support all manner of pollinators. Many of the plants in the shop were propagated from seeds and cuttings collected in the garden. So you can be sure that the plants that we sell are going to be successful in your garden because they're from this area. In the shop, there is a profile card with a brief description of every plant. Seasonal features, as well as growing requirements, deer resistance, and pollinator benefits are also listed. If you're the type of gardener that likes to plan, the plant availability list online provides much of this same information. You can find the availability list on the plant shop page of our website under the Gardens tab. Thank you for joining us on this Wednesday Walkabout. We look forward to seeing you in the gardens.